Life after Hogwarts.
Hello witches, wizards and muggles of YouTube. I just wanted to upload a quick video because I've had so much fun making it. It's not finished, and I know there's many versions of homemade Harry Potter Monopoly boards and games, but I just wanted to share what I'm making for my son for his birthday. My son is head over heels about two things: Harry Potter and Monopoly. And after a search, finding that you can't buy a Harry Potter Monopoly, or not that I'm aware of, I decided to make my own. I've managed to source a couple of templates from YouTube. I don't know if you can see, I'll hold it up, the money. Now, I was looking for the full-size Monopoly money, but my son likes his travel Monopoly, and the notes are a lot smaller, and I thought to myself, well, if he's happy with that and there's less paper and ink required, I'll go for that. That was made by a Monopoly builder who is also on YouTube. I will share their link because they've done an amazing job. They've also made this Monopoly board. I absolutely I think it's the best thing since sliced bread. I like the Go to Azkaban. The detail in it I'm very happy with. I glued it actually onto an old Monopoly board that I had lying around, that I've trimmed to size, and it fits very nicely. Again, it's a lot smaller than the main one, but again a lot bigger than the travel Monopoly that my son loves. All the property cards are there. Some for some reason came out smaller, but the majority of them came out large, and I was very happy with the print, all the details on there. You don't have community chests or chants, you have potions and spells. The one thing that doesn't I couldn't find is my own little pieces. So what I've done is I've temporarily sourced some from eBay. This was a sorting hat necklace for 99p, free postage, which I'm very happy with. I've got this headwig from a charity shop for 50p. He's a lot larger than I'd like. If I can find a smaller one, but I think he'll still move around the board quite nicely. I'm working on a little potion bottle, quite a luminous green. I'm going to write a particular potion on there. I've got a time turner which fully works, so if I go to Azkaban, I can go back my move and try again. I've got a little dragon coming out of a dragon's egg, and I am looking for making a small philosopher's stone, but in the meantime I've just got a mummy, though I know no mummies really feature in Harry Potter. But what I am going to do is, this is more for me I think than my son, I'm going to make this a limited edition Gilderoy Lockhart Monopoly set. I think he is a brilliant character, apart from Snape. He's my second favourite professor. I just love the fact that he would put his name, I think, on anything. So I'm going to turn this into a Gilderoy Lockhart edition. It's going to come with a note just saying, basically, I hope you enjoy this from him. I hope you enjoy this Monopoly set just as much as I've enjoyed having my picture put in it and my name written on it. And he's going to promote his other books because I think that's the kind of thing he would do. Finally, the YouTuber that shares all the templates also has an external box cover that you can use. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it look like it's delivered from an owl, and I'm going to have some string glued around like that, and I'm going to write Harry Potter Monopoly, and in the far corner have a picture of Gilderoy Lockhart as if he's coming up the box, and put Gilderoy Lockhart Special Edition. I can go through some of the build, though there are some very, very good videos out there and tutorials, so I'll put some links to them because it's I'm very limited for time and space, and I don't want to replicate the wheel, and the people that have made these templates and worked hard on their Monopoly sets, I think deserve all the credit. I'm just copying and adding my own little special touches to it. Oh, the other thing I wanted to share is I got this lining. It's a Harry Potter map. I also got that for a 99p. And there was enough to line the two sections, the middle section, and that needs gluing down, and make the little inserts to separate everything. I'll review that another day, and I'm trying to put some links because I think it's a lovely map. 99p. Some of the Harry Potter things I'm picking up for 99p. Time Turner, the Sorting Hat, the map, I think are just worth giving a shout out to, because Harry Potter doesn't have to be expensive. I think it's kind of like. So that's the end of my Harry Potter Monopoly short video. It's a cold December morning, so I won't spend too long down in the workshop. But I hope you've enjoyed the tour of the game, and good luck. I hope it's inspired you to think, I can do this. If one person, I think, felt inspired from this to go out and try something and turn their hand to it, brilliant. That's what I think this is all about. Anyway, have a good day, and I hopefully will post a video soon.